Alrighty guys, so another day with another Palantir stock video, and I figured it's only right. It's Monday, the first day of the week, and Palantir is up another 4%. So hey, here's another video on Palantir. We're going to break down the charts, levels that I'm looking at, and if we have time, later in the video, we're going to break down the overall markets, which are doing pretty dang well as well. Look at this, guys. We have the S&P 500 up 0.4%, the Russell's up 0.3%, the Nasdaq's up over 1% on the day, as the Dow is up 0.25%. Funny enough, the VIX is also up 6.5%. So later we'll break that down. But first, let's talk about Palantir. But actually, before we do that, you guys have to get up to 17 free stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. All you have to do is use that link down below or go to stockerfest.com/Moomoo, open up an account with Moomoo and deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and you get a free share of C3AI stock, which right now is valued at $35 per share. And if you deposit at least $1,000, guys, on top of those stocks, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And guys, listen to this: deposit at least $5,000 on top of all those stocks you already got, you get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock on top of those stocks, guaranteed. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the best promo right now. So use that link down below, and of course, that's an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So look, Palantir right now is up around 3.75%, roughly, right around 4% up on the day, up around 57 cents, roughly, trading at $15.58 right now. And earlier in the day, it was at what, 1603. So overall today, guys, yes, we're up on the day, but earlier we were up even more, and now we're down from the lows, or rather the intraday high, which at one point we were up 7%, and now we're down roughly 2.8%, 3% from the highs. But you guys can see on the intraday chart, look at this, we are starting to reverse. You guys can see we hit $16, peaked out there pretty much on the intraday. Let me actually zoom in to show you guys. We sold off a bit from there down to about 15.30. We actually held the pre-market support, which was right around 15.20.30, which is good for the bulls. Now we're starting to get the reversal back over the moving averages, right? And we're getting a golden cross, which is a good sign, again, for the bulls. So at this point, we could be making a move towards, it looks like we're starting to make a move maybe towards the highs from earlier in the day, but we have to set some alerts. I'll put one at 15.75, which was the high from around 10-15 minutes ago. If that were to break, okay, now we're pushing towards, we could make that final push towards 16, and of course 16, that was the high earlier today, 1603 to be exact. So my alert is set. I'll put another one at 15.70. These are for the very short term, guys. These could very well hit over the course of this video. So I'm going to put another one at 15.70. Boom, there we go. So 15.70 and 15.75. And again, if that were to break, we can then make a move $16, maybe above that as well. So let me pull up the 5-day, 5-minute to see what's going on this time frame, and you'll see, guys, wait a second, and we've covered this before, but just to do a quick rundown, we can see on the 5-day, 5-minute over the past 1, 2, and today being 3 days, we've struggled at 16, 1580, 1575, this general range that we're struggling in right now. You guys can see back on Thursday we struggled there, right around 1560. On Friday, we hit around almost $16, but we failed, and then we saw a huge sell-off into close, and we closed at around $15, mind you. And now on Monday, we're struggling at around $15.80, $16. So what we have to see, obviously, in the short term, for the bulls to take, well, the bulls are in charge if we're looking at the longer time frames, guys. I mean, come on, we all know that. But in the very short term, for the bulls to gain an edge, they got to break 16, 15, 16.20, and from there we could go maybe to that $17 high, which was hit just a couple of days ago, guys, just a couple of days ago. And really, this is just consolidation. I mean, the past couple of days has just been consolidation. And do you guys see what I'm seeing here? Let me clear the drawing set. We also arguably have an ascending triangle on Palantir. Do you guys see right here? We have clear higher lows being made, 1, 2, 3, but we have resistance at around 15.80, $16. That's a textbook ascending triangle, which again, if that played out, we get that leg up, we could be going mid 16s, 17, which is where we were just a couple of days ago, less than a week ago. If that broke, we could go even higher from there. So guys, Palantir is really, yes, arguably it's overbought on the 4-hour chart, but it looks like it's gearing up for a breakout, at least as of now. And of course, things could change. In fact, they will change, and we'll do more updates on Palantir. So make sure you guys subscribe and you hit that notification bell if you like the chart breakdowns. We also go over breaking news. We talk about fundamentals sometimes as well. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And while you're at it, hit that like button. I appreciate you guys as always. And now let's quickly take a look at the overall markets, which are just doing so well right now, guys. So well. We have the Russell up 0.4%. We have the NASDAQ up 1.1. Let me pull up Triple Q, which you guys know tracks the NASDAQ 100. Look at this, guys. We hit a fresh high. We're currently at a fresh high on the intraday chart, and we're at a high, I believe, on the 4-hour chart now as well. Yep. Look at that, guys. We hit 358.37 on the day, which is nuts. We just keep on hitting multi-month high. It seems like every single day now. And SPY's probably also doing quite well in terms of the 4-hour. Yeah, it looks like we're not quite yet at the highs from last week. We're about 25 cents away. Currently, we're at 431.75, and the highs from last week were right around, I think, 31.99. Yeah, 431.99. So we're pretty much right there. And what do you guys see here, guys? What do you guys see? This is an ascending triangle, clear as day. On the 5-day, 5-minute on SPY, you guys see the higher lows, boom, 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 and resistance over the past 2 days at around 432. So essentially, if this plays out, we get a huge leg above 432, and this goes even higher. Believe it or not, it could happen, guys. It very well could happen at this point. And if I pull up Triple Q, which you guys, again, know tracks the NASDAQ 100, we're also seeing that here. Do you guys see the ascending triangle on Triple Q on the 5-day chart? It's actually starting to play out as of right now when I'm making this video in real time. You guys see it right now playing out. We have higher lows being made from the past couple of days. One right here, here. Now we're starting to take out that 356.7 level. We're in the mid 358s almost. So this looks pretty strong in my opinion by the looks of it. And we don't know exactly what's going to happen, of course. Nothing's guaranteed. But right now it looks like the bulls want to take Palantir even higher. The market's even higher. I mean, the bulls, guys, you've seen the headlines. We're back in a bull market, I don't know if we are 100%. I guess technically we probably are. But, sure as heck feels like it. I mean, if you look at these stocks, guys, it sure as heck feels like we're back in a bull market. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. And don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000 by using that link down below or by going to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and you get a free share of C3AI stock, which right now is valued at what, $35, $36, and that's actually exclusive to this channel. And it gets even better, guys. Fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks on top of those 6 stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and deposit at least $5,000. This is where it gets really good, guys. Listen up. Are you listening right now? You get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock guaranteed on top of all those other stocks. So if you guys want some free money, this is the best. I'm telling you guys, best promo right now by far. And you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.